Hello guys, in the last video we have seen the total like method, main method overloading and main method overriding, this kind of concepts we understood. So in this video we are going to see another interview question. What about this another interview question now? If we provide main method in a superclass, right sir, if you provide main method in superclass, then is it possible to execute main method through the respective subclass? For example, my point is which one? I want to declare main method in superclass. And is it possible to execute that superclass main method through this subclass name? Means that along with Java command I want to provide subclass name, not superclass name. Along with the Java command I want to provide which one? Subclass name, not superclass name. Is it possible? Right sir. Now if we come for this particular point, answer is very clear. First of all, let us check this answer, then after that we will come back for this one. Right sir. Now our point is which one? Directly I want to take a Java program, class A, here we have taken. Inside this class A, public static void main string array args. Now here I want to provide which one? Main method A. I want to provide like this. Main method A that we provided. Class A, public static void main string array args system.out.println of main A. Next one is class B extends A I want to provide. But here my question is which one? I can save this Java file with abc.java. It's okay, no problem. We can save that with abc.java. Next one is after saving this Java file with abc.java, Java space A, directly this method will be executed. Up to that we know. But my point is which one? Java space B. If I provide like this B, is it possible to execute the same main method by JVM? If I provide Java space B, is it possible to execute the same A class main method through the JVM, by JVM there? Let us check this point clearly. Now D drive and core Java. Now I want to save this file with abc.java. abc.java. Here I provided here. It's okay. Now I want to compile this first of all. Java C space abc.java. Good. Successfully compiled. Now actually main method is available in class A. Now here Java space A. Java space A. Here we are getting which one? You know, main method A. Here we are getting there. That's fine. Up to this also no problem here. But my point is which one? I want to provide B. I want to provide which one? B along with the Java command. Now is it possible for JVM to access this A class main method directly? Is it possible to access A class main method directly? Let us check this clearly now. Now Java space B I want to provide. Now really inside this B class I did not provide main method. That I provided which one? You know, A class main method that I provided here. Now let us execute this. If I run this one directly here, we are getting output or not? So it is possible. It is possible. Why? Because basically inheritance is available. Superclass A class main method automatically will come to its subclass. Why? Because this main method is a public method and automatically the superclass methods will come to subclass. So automatically this main method is available to inside the class B. So inside this class B also main method is available. Same superclass method is available. So if we provide Java space B, first JVM will search for main method in the superclass. That means in the subclass directly inside the class B. If it is not available, then JVM will search for main method in the superclass A. Now in superclass A it is available, so we can access it directly now. So because of this reason, because of this particular reason here, we can give the conclusion, even if we provide main method in the superclass, then we are able to execute that superclass main method through the subclass by specifying subclass name along with our Java command directly. This is what exactly the question here we are getting, and answer also here we are getting there directly. Right sir, answer is which one? Yes, it is possible to access superclass main method through subclass name by JVM. then it is possible here. Already we have seen that example also clearly. Next one is, another point is which one? Is it possible to provide main method inside an inner class? Is it possible to provide main method inside an inner class? Up to now we provided main method in an outer class only, but now is it possible to provide main method inside an inner class? That is my question now. Is it possible to provide main method inside an inner class? Now let me check it. What is my idea for this particular one? First of all, I want to take which one here? Class test. Class test, here we provide it. Now I don't want to have main method directly inside the class test, no, but I want to have main method inside the inner class. Inside the class test here, I want to take which one here? Let's say for example, I want to take class outer, but I want to take which one here? Class inner. So class inner, class outer and class inner. Inside this class inner, I want to declare which one? Main method. Public static void main, public static void main, string array aux. Right sir, I declared main method inside the inner class, not inside which one? There, outer class. Now here I want to provide system.out.println of, so main method inner, that I want to display now. Now I want to execute it. Then how we are going to execute this one? First of all, let me save this one. Outer.java, here I want to save it like this. Outer.java. Observe carefully. Outer.java. When we provide this outer.java here, what we have to do there? Java C space outer.java. We can compile this. Okay, fine. Now here we are getting a simple error here we are getting there. What about this error? Observe this clearly. Illegal static declaration in inner class outer.inner. So static methods. In general, static members are not possible inside the inner classes. In general, static members are not possible inside the inner class. That's why here we are getting an error now. Okay. Now static inner class, is it possible now? In general, inside the static inner class, we are able to get which one? Here static declarations directly. Now let us check this clearly now. Now I think so we are not going to get any error here. And before that here we are able to get one more point. Modifier static is allowed only in a constant variable declaration here. Anyway, no problem. I declared the static inner class directly. Okay, no compilation error here now. We are not getting any compilation error. But how we are going to execute it? Can I use outer actually? If we use outer here, we are getting method, main method not found in class outer, like this here. Why? Because main method is available inside the inner, not inside which one? There, outer here. Okay, fine. Now can I use like this here? Okay, fine. Java space outer dot inner. Can I use like this here? That means referring which one here? Inner here. Java space outer dot inner, could not find or load main class outer dot inner here. Okay, fine. Okay, now I think so. Instead of that outer dot inner here, we are able to provide which one there? Java space outer dollar inner. This also be dot class file representation. Inner class dot class file representation here we are able to provide. Now let me check it. Is it possible or not? Yes, exactly. Now here we are getting our output clearly. Java space outer dollar inner here. In this way only here we are getting the respective output. Good. Now what is the condition here? What exactly the conditions are available here? Is it possible to declare main method inside an inner class or not? Yes, answer for this question is which one here? Yes, it is possible. But what is the condition now? That inner class must be which inner class? Static inner class. That inner class must be which inner class? Static inner class. Inside the static inner class only we are able to provide which one? This main method. Why? Because main method is a static method. So static declarations are not allowed by normal inner classes. If the static inner class, then only able to allow which one? They know the corresponding thing. Okay, if we declare any static inner class in an outer class, there we are able to declare that main method. It's okay. If it is a case and if you want to execute this particular program here, what we have to do there? Java space outer dollar inner here we have to use. Java space outer dollar inner we have to use. Then only we are able to access our which one here? The respective content. Java space outer dollar inner. Like this only here we are able to provide directly. So in that way here we are able to execute our program directly. So this is a way to declare a main method inside the inner class. But one more simple point here. For example, if I did not declare this class, that means inner here, if I did not declare this inner as a static, no, then what happened here? No, here we are getting definitely compilation error here, we are getting there. What about this compilation here? Java C outer.java. What is that compilation error? Illegal static declaration in inner class now. Modifier static is allowed only in constant variables declaration. Okay, now if I use might be, for example, public static final. If I use public static final here, if I use like this, then what we are able to get, just observe this clearly now. Right, sir. Now I want to compile it. Java C space outer.java. We have to compile this. Right, sir. Again here we are getting the same problem here. Illegal static declaration inner class. Static is allowed only in a constant variables declaration. Not in the case of method declaration and constant variables declaration here. So again here it is not possible here, we have to understand. Finally is also be declared if you know it is not possible here. So finally the conclusion is which one here? Only the conclusion is which one? It is possible to declare inner class, that means main method inside the inner classes, no? But the respective inner class must be which one here? No? Static inner class. Inside the static inner class only we are able to declare main method. Java C space like outer dot Java here we can use there, compiled successfully. Java space, what about the next one here now? Like outer dollar inner, here we have to provide directly. Then only here we are able to get the corresponding output directly. So this is the way how we are going to declare a main method inside the inner classes clearly now. So is it possible to provide main method inside an inner class? No. Answer is which one here? Yes. It is possible to provide main method inside an inner class. It is possible to provide main method inside an inner class, but the respective inner class must be static inner class. But the respective inner class must be static inner class. So in that way here we are able to declare which one? No, that inner class is here inside this which one here? Inside the corresponding content here, corresponding static inner classes here. No, that's it. What is this main method actually? What is this main method? Is it predefined method or is it user defined method? What is this main method? Is it predefined method or is it user defined method? This is a question now. What will be the answer for this particular question? Answer is very simple. Answer is very simple. Main method is not predefined method and it is not user defined method. Main method is not predefined method and it is not user defined method, but it is a conventional method, but it is a conventional method with a fixed prototype and with a user defined implementation. What is this main method actually? Main method is not predefined method and it is not user defined method. In general this type of question here we are able to get. Is not predefined method and is not user defined method, but it is a conventional method with a fixed prototype and with a user defined implementation. It's okay. Now I'll ask few questions now. If you think it is a predefined method, we should not provide implementation for this method. All predefined methods must have implementation by Java only, not by the developer. Predefined, concat is a predefined method. Who has provided implementation for that? Java has provided implementation for it internally. Like for name method is available. Who has provided implementation for that? Java has provided implementation for that. So it is predefined method. So here also main method is which one here now? Just if you think it is a predefined method, but we should not provide implementation for it. Java must provide implementation for that. But for main method we are providing implementation. Good. Is it user defined method? If you think it is an user defined method, don't use main is the name. We can go for your own name. Why? Because that is our defined. If it is our defined, we can provide our own name. even if you provide like this class tester, even if you provide like this class tester, public static void, in place of this main here we can use which one? There no ABC also, if it is a case here no ABC array args, here we are able to provide like this class tester, we can provide like this also there if it is a case, if it is user defined no. But we cannot do that. Why? Because method name must be main, that must be same, that must be mandatory. So how can we say it is a user defined method now? So if it is a predefined method, don't provide body for that. Body must be provided by Java, so it is not predefined. If it is user defined method, change the method name. Don't use main is a name. We can go for our own name here no. ABC provided here, but don't go for it clearly no. It is also be not possible here no. So finally the point is which one? What is this main method actually? Main method is not predefined method and it is not user defined method, but it is a conventional method with a fixed prototype and with user defined implementation part here. That's it. This is what exactly the total picture, total view of which one can know main method totally.